If you searched how to buy shares of Synergie SE, this guide shows the process for Synergie SE, a French staffing and HR services company listed on Euronext as SDG.PA. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. You will need a broker to buy shares. I will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SDG.PA to find Synergie SE. Confirm you select the Euronext listing to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the Synergie SE asset page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Check the ticker SDG.PA and listing details to confirm this is the correct security. Click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm to place the order. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens. And if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your Synergie SE position will appear in your portfolio once the order is filled. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration steps.